Hey folks, how's it going? Welcome back. Thanks for watching. Today's gonna be a good video. We are heading to the most magical place on earth.
Walmart!
That's right, kids, we're going to Walmart. We're going to Walmart to get a couple things. We gotta get worms, because we're gonna go fishing later on in this video. And we gotta get a tent for Cameron, because we're going to go camping in another video. We gotta get groceries. And I'll probably do a cooking thing with that stuff later on in another video. So anyway, fun stuff. Haven't been to Walmart in a while. Should be interesting. We're gonna wear masks. We're safe. Safety first, then teamwork. All right, we'll see you guys in there. Stay tuned.
Oh, dang, how about that?
Holy shit, is it camping season or what?
I guess so. Nice cot.
Ain't got no tent.
You don't, huh?
No tents. Probably have to order one on Amazon, yeah?
Yeah, we'll just have to look when we go home.
Picked clean.
Picked clean, that's right.
Alright, it's alright.
We'll figure something out.
We'll figure something out.
That's what we do. That's what we do.
So we get these for the park.
Mm-hmm.
Also maybe these.
Oh yeah, sounds good.
And then I was thinking we could get some of these.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, sure, if you want.
And
Whatever you like, honey.
I think I want to get some chicken too.
Okay. Ahoy!
2 whole chicken.
Well, you can spatchcock them.
Yeah. Whew. Okay, so we made it out of Walmart. Sorry we didn't film much more in there, but it was a little busy. So we got the worms, we didn't get the tent. We got our groceries. I got a bunch of good stuff to cook, to smoke. Anyway, it's getting dark and it's getting dark and we will pick up with the fishing tomorrow. See you there. Hey, Chewy. Hey, buddy. Hey guys, how's it going? We're here at Lake Balboa, getting ready to do some fishing. Me and Megs. I've been to this lake before and I've fished at this lake before. I've never caught anything big, but they have a bunch of different stuff in here. They have bluegill, green sunfish, bass. What? Oh yeah, I caught one of those plecostomus fish. And I've also caught a tilapia out of here. So, should be fun. I haven't had the fishing equipment out in a couple months, so that should be fun going through that. Anything else? All right, you guys stay tuned.
Let's catch some fishies.
Let's catch some fishes. All right, so here's the tackle box. Here's one pole. Here's another pole. Oh, it's huge. Aha, I see. Here you go. The old Zebco.
Zebco, yeah.
You forgot you had that.
Forgot that. Oh, this arm.
Well, I'm gonna leave these in here for now then. We're only gonna take the 2. And I got 1 chair, 2 chairs. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that guy. Chair. I got a pole. I got a chair. I got my keys. Let's go. We just post up the chairs right here. What's that dude doing? That's not loud.
I mean, I don't know. He's doing it.
Right? Gotta work here.
Just trying to make sure I know he's breaking the law, breaking the law.
Right here we got the Shakespeare Tiger.
Mm.
This is Megan's pole.
Yeah,
She likes the button.
I like the button.
And I got the fishing poles that come apart so I can fit them in the trunk of my car. And there you go, it's together.
Sweet. I've already got a lizard on there, it looks like, so
You do.
I'm not gonna.
Do you want to go with the wormy and a bobber?
If you want.
I mean, that's how you're going to get action.
Okay.
Like I said, this place is fished out. A lot of people fish here. Don't use your teeth. Big old tackle box here. What is this? Oh. This is not organized at all. Some weights, moto baits, bobber.
Oh, we'll go shopping for more stuff in another video sometime. Maybe once the world calms down a little bit.
Yeah.
We can order some off of Amazon.
There's literally nothing at Walmart the other day. Oh, that's leaked. That's nice.
But oh no, the bass juice. Oh
Bass juice,
no.
that's gone. That's garbage. Got power baits. I love fishing with power baits, but like I said, I haven't had much luck in here besides with live bait. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Hooking Megan up with a little hook, a little bobber. Man, I got stuff lying around this thing. Who put this stuff away last time? I don't see any little baby hooks.
What's the last time we fished? Big Bear?
Yeah.
Dang.
It's been a minute. Yeah, I knew there was a reason we went to Walmart.
What was it?
Small hooks.
Mm. You don't have any?
Well, oh, here's one. Oh, here's two, three.
All right. It's happening. Making it happen.
I'm not real good at tying knots. I'm not even sure what this knot is called. And we're probably using the wrong test line because this stuff is like wire. But put it through the eye, twist it a couple times, take this part, go under and up through the hole, then back through this big hole. Let's add a little weight on here and a bobber, and then we'll stick a wormy on here and let Megan go. I'm gonna stick a little weight on there. I'm gonna put a little bobber because that hook is real small. We're just fishing for funsies.
Just for funsies. There's a lot of real small fish in here. Oh, hey ducks. They're just chilling right there.
Man, too much coffee. I am shaking.
Cameron made coffee today.
It's that kid's coffee. He can kill an elephant.
Rocket fuel.
18 Canadian night crawlers.
They're from Canada.
From Canada.
Came a long way.
This fishing is what they're about. Oh yeah, look at them. They're fat.
Are they still alive?
Oh yeah, they're wiggling.
All right.
They're alive. Here goes the fun part. I have a knife somewhere, I swear.
Somewhere.
Aha.
There you go.
Look at them. Watch them. You don't need that.
He didn't like that very much.
Drody. This part is not my favorite.
It's okay, little worm. Circle of life. Those ducks know that song.
Man, got a big old fat worm on there, and it's barely pointing out right there. I think this would hurt.
Take your hand.
I'm gonna watch you for a little while first.
Watch me. Watch my stuff.
Yeah, work. You want a chair down there?
No.
There she goes. She's in the water. See if anything hits it. Yeah, throw it further out. Whoop, don't fall in.
Fish here, don't like.
I guess that. Let me know if you get anything. So what I got here is a Durango reel I got from Walmart for like 30 bucks. And anything special. But the pole I got off Amazon, and it's cool because it's a telescopic pole. So I can like put it in my backpack, But what's neat about it, flip the bail here, let all that line out. This guy comes out, keeps on cruising. So what we started off with, we now have a full-size fishing rod. Oops, caught a backpack. So I think last time what I was using this for was catfish, and we were up in Big Bear. We're gonna get rid of that. Any bites? Nothing, huh? Bogus.
10 million tiny fish right here.
Yeah, it's probably better fishing by the waterfall, but it's just too hot to be in the sun right now. No?
No. Heck, my legs are burning though.
Yep. Yep. Throw it out there and lay it on the ground right there by that pole. These worms are so big.
They're huge.
For these hooks.
Feed them good in Canada.
I guess. Spitting the truth.
It's that true.
Nothing, huh? Nobody's even touched it. See if they want this one. This line has been sitting for a long time. You can tell because it's all pinkly. Oh, snap! I did. Oh, something took it. This is probably just a little dude. That's okay, I'll get a little dude. Come on, little dude, take it.
My worm was untouched also.
Yeah. There goes. We're playing with it. Take it. Take it. Something real small. Something wants it. Something wants it. Oh, now I'm gonna get him. There it goes. Oh, come on. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Yeah, he just took it again. They're right here. Here he goes. Here he goes. Take it. Trying to set the hook, but I think the mouth is too small on him. We're gonna get this little guy. Feeling good. There it goes, there it goes. Come on. Oh, I got a fish! Oh my goodness!
I saw you jumping. Look out your mouth, baby.
There you go.
Little boy.
Oh, let me see him. What kind of fish is that? Is that a little bass? Yeah, that's a little bass.
A little tiny baby little bass.
Oh,
I'm pretty
right.
sure my first fish I ever caught in California.
Oh, yeah.
They don't like me here, but...
Way to go, Megs.
Thank you, honey. I'll get a little air kiss. Tell your friends about us. Bye, baby. Woo.
Yeah.
Okay, here's my little Woo!
All right. Good job, you. There you go, Pumpkin. Thank you. Go get him. Slay another one. Oh, big fish.
What happened to the big fish?
Right there, right up by my bobber. Oh. No. I think I just need to let them eat it. They're so small. Might have to switch things up. I forgot to show you guys. I bought this little cheap pole. I do not recommend buying this pole. I got this on Amazon for like 20 bucks. It's another telescopic pole, but it's all made out of plastic. I got this so that we could just stick it in our backpack, and when we go on bike rides, we could just bust it out real quick. Hey, it's cool for that. Oh, but really, this thing is pretty close to a piece of junk. But we'll give it a whirl. See if we can catch something on it. Watch me catch something on this and not catch it on my good pole. Oh yeah, that's high quality craftsmanship right there. So we'll throw this out, let it sit. So I'm gonna go with this little white and silver rooster tail. The dog agrees. Something's on mine too. Oh, my bobber, it's going under. They're playing with it. I'm gonna let him. You take that. You take it. You eat it. You eat it good. It's probably just a little baby. Eat that hook. What'd I tell you on the cheapy pole? Why it clicks every time? Beats me. Take the damn bait. Try the old rooster tail. Oh, something hit it. Something hit it hard. Woo! Oh man, something hit it the first time. Check out them helicopters. Yeah, look at you go!
Buddy, fisheroo. Here, bud. Here. Hello, little fisheroo.
Yeah, look at that.
Hello, baby.
Very pretty.
And yes. We are friends, and I love you. I'm going to put you back in the water. Goodbye, baby. I'll get you again soon.
Woo!
Yeah. Woo! Fishing.
That's how it's done.
It is nice fun.
Megan slaying him.
I just had to be patient. I felt him pull it twice, and I was like, no, not yet. Just let him. He's gonna eat it.
And you still got your wormy.
And it's so good. Oh, I love fishing. Oh,
Right, it is fun.
it's fun when you catch fish.
There you go.
Thank you. Yeah.
Woo! You get that?
Sort of. I think that's the same fish I caught. Yeah. See if he's bleeding already. Right there, same fish. Yes, you're so beautiful. Hello, baby.
Look at the color.
Oh, he's beautiful. That's a beautiful bass. I love bass. Oh no! Oh, you are. You look so pretty. Hello, little baby bass. Hello.
All right, I'm gonna let him go.
All right, you want me to take a picture real quick? Bye, baby.
Woo!
Yeah, and that's how it's done, son. Catching fish, going crazy. Yeah.
Oh, there's a fish. Oh, I lost him.
Take your worm.
Oh, I got the worm. Oh, I got robbed. Highway robbery. It's because I'm using this crappy pole. I don't know why. It's like third time I said it. I don't know why I'm using this crappy pole. This keeps going under. Do I got him? Oh, come on. You're killing me. Skunked again. It's because of this crappy pole. And I keep using it. I was going to hook this up to go deep, but I think I just want to hook it up to have a nice little bobber because I'm having fun with the bobber fishing. You did? Oh my goodness.
Another fishy for me.
Megan's killing it.
He's the smallest. Perfectly formed. Goodbye, little baby. We love you. Thank you for playing.
Thank you for playing the fish game. Wow.
Ooh, 3 fish today.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. You're amazing. All right. Oh, come on. That's it. I'm done with this. I'm switching. I'll catch this fish. I don't think it's in. Oh yeah. All right. Finally. We got a fish. Woo! It's a monster. Oh, there he goes. Hold on, let me do one of these. All right, check out that guy. Finally. That wasn't the big one. Go back and get your big papa. Woo! I have to set a world record. Oh, Megan's got another fish.
There we go. Another beautiful baby bass. Hello, little guy. I'm sorry I ripped up your lip. Put you back in the water. Oh, have a nice night.
Woo! Thanks for playing. Something's got mine too.
Oh, that's a big one. Yeah.
Ooh, that counts. Woo! Hey.
Okay, buddy.
Excellent.
They're getting bigger.
Look at that. See you later. Go get your big brother. Woo! Oh, yeah, you did. Nice catch.
The baby fishy. Another beautiful little baby. We love him so much. Thank you, baby, for playing.
How many fish is that for you?
4 or 5.
Oh my goodness. Woo!
Boy.
Uh-oh, I need the pliers for this guy. Oh, he's a quick one. Thank you, my dear. Little baby bass. Woo-wee. Goodbye, sir. Thank you for playing. Woo. Woo.
Woo.
That's done.
Going catching fish.
What's up, buddy? How you guys doing? That's my worms. That's cool, though. What's up, guys? Yeah. No fear, huh? Maybe a little fear. Cool, as you were.
Thanks for visiting.
Yep. Oh, whoa, whoa, watch your step there, buddy. Nature. Alright, so that's what I got. Tiny little weight and a big old worm on a big old hook. We're just gonna throw it out there and hopefully somebody bites. Check out this cool thing I got in my tackle box. It's a radio and a flashlight, but it's solar powered or tunes. See if I got anything. Nope. So that's probably it for today, folks. I hope you had fun. I know we did.
Yay!
If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys be good. I'll see you later. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to the Fun with Travis YouTube channel. Also, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to click the subscribe and that bell button so you get them notifications. Thanks for watching.